Hey squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So in the episode we got this cool middle right here, and basically what this is a drawstring bag that's from the brand called BeeGreen. The one that we got right here, they designed it for people to use it for almost any situation, whether it's casually working out in the gym, going for a swim, or anything else. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what it looks like first. So once you guys open up, this is what the product looks like. And you see the way how they designed the bag is actually pretty cool, because they actually give you guys a handle option on top to carry around like a little bag if you guys want to. And if you guys notice on the side, we do have a drawstring option, so that we can use it as a drawstring bag. And bottom of the drawstring bag, they do give you guys the option to loosen or tighten up the string if you guys want to. And we guys see the quality of the drawstring option, it is pretty high quality. It's not like a cheap material compared to a lot of other drawstring bags out there in the market today. Same thing applies to the other side of the drawstring as well. And then in the front right here, we see we do have a lot of different options. Top part we have a zipper compartment. Here we have another one. Right here in the bottom we do have reflective tape. And right here on the side we do have a little pocket for you to put in a water bottle if you guys want to. So for example, if I want to try to put this water bottle inside, let's see when it actually fits. So I just stick it in. You have this option right here to tighten it up to keep it all secure. So that is the first little compartment right there if you guys want to use that option. Next compartment right here, if you guys open up, this part right here is actually pretty spacious, so if you want to put like a wallet, your phone, or even like a power bank or something, you definitely can. If you guys open the next compartment right here, this part inside is actually very spacious. It's so big to the point that if you guys want to put like your shoes inside or like a tablet, you definitely can. So for example, I do have my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. If I try to put it inside, it fits inside right there just right. So it's actually very spacious if you guys think about it. And then once you guys zip it all up, that is basically what the overall bag looks like in the front. And then here's what the bag looks like from the back. If you guys take a look at the inside, if you see the inside is actually very spacious and there's a lot of different compartments inside. So right here inside, you see we do have a little pocket where to store stuff inside right here if you guys want to. So maybe like your phone, your wallet, or your keys or something else. And you see the other side, we do have two pockets. It's kind of hard for me to show you guys in this view. So I'm gonna take everything out and flip it inside out. Alright, so I'm gonna see once you guys flip it inside out, here are the two pockets that I'm talking about. So here's one compartment right here. And then here's another compartment right here. So this compartment is slightly smaller and this one's bigger. You can see I can put my whole fist inside. But the inside of the bag, if you guys can see, is actually very spacious. And I love the fact that how she has all these different pockets where to keep everything all organized. And if you guys can see on the side, they provide guys information in terms of how to maintain it. And they also provide guys information in terms of material that they use on here, which is 100% nylon. But the way how you guys maintain it or wash it, you can definitely store a machine to wash it using cold water. And then once you guys finish washing it, you guys want to hang dry it. So that way you can prolong the life of the product as well. So that is basically what the inside looks like. Let me actually flip it back around to the other side and then show you guys what the back looks like when you guys do put it on. So I'm gonna put everything back in, like the iPad Pro and etc. first, to give you guys an idea of what the product looks like. Alright, so I put my iPad inside and also put the water bottle on the side. So the first way for you guys to use it, obviously, like I mentioned, you guys can use it like a handbag like this. Or if you guys can put this on your wrist or your arm, you guys can do that as well. And the last way is obviously the drawstring option. So once you guys put your stuff inside, you can tighten it up. So just like that. And just put this around your shoulders. And just wear it like casually, like a little bag. And this is what the product looks like from the back. Here's what the product looks like from the front. For the bag, you do have the option to flip it around to the other side to wear like this if you guys want to. So that way your bag can be in the front and that way you can see everything, so that way people can't steal it as well. But when you guys see the material, the fabric right here, it definitely feels like a high quality material that they use on here. So you don't have to worry about breaking anytime soon compared to the cheaper version of the drawstring bag. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality drawstring bag that has a similar design as this one right here. We're give you guys the option to hold your water bottle, a zipper compartment right here to hold your wallet, your phone, etc. And also the compartment right here to hold your shoes, your tablet, or anything else. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have you one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.